Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, June the 4th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper there is also an additional with 5 or 6 extra Sudokus. But first, high priority, we will first solve the medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. A lot of ones. So let's start with 1 because I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1 in this column. Third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see. Yes. Wow. This is my strategy. If I see a lot of numbers, go for it for that number. And same like the 6 I see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. So go for it. I see here 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 6. But I see here a pair in this big square. We have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers, the 6 and the 9. I see here the 6 and the 9. I cannot place the 6 and the 9 in these 3 boxes. 6 and the 9. So 2 boxes are left for the 6 and the 9, here and there, as a pair. I mark them immediately, so it's easier to follow. So what are those other numbers? Those other numbers are the 3, the 5, and 3, 5, and the 8. 3, 5, and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row? 8 and 8 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. I see here the 2 and the 5 there. So no 2 and a 5 in that box. That means 1 digit left for the 3. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 3 and 2, but I see here a 2 in this column, a 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now I have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Two numbers left in the first column for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. These two numbers of this big square are the numbers 7 and 4. I mark them, easy to follow. That means 1 box left in this second column for the number 9. Then 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. Then we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 4. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there, because we have a 7 here and 7 there. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. Alright, 7. 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left. 2 numbers left in this column, the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 5. Then here, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. One number left in this middle row for the number 7. One number left in this column for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final numbers of this big square. The numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, is this a Sudoku medium? Maybe a Sudoku light. Anyway, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download a PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell. If you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching again. I will see you later with the additionals, with extra Sudokus. So keep on puzzling, and thank you for now, and bye bye.